Hey guys, Crypto Coin Central, and today we are going to be talking about Nebulo, and I'm going to go ahead and explain a lot of things about Nebulo and kind of dissect it for you guys, explain it a little bit better, and explain why right now $48 is dirt cheap for Nebulo. Also, I would like to point out that I am not a financial advisor, and I would like to start a conversation and a discussion in the comment section below. So if you guys are watching this right now, let me know if you guys are holding Nebulo or if you guys plan on holding Nebulo. Let me know when you guys bought in, if you're still doing some research, if you're unsure, if you think this is all hype. Let me know all about that. Let me know if you guys sold and now you guys are regretting it immensely because it's gonna grow like crazy, and I'm pretty sure people who bought in this actually believed in it, so I don't think they sold when they saw profits like this because they knew this was the start of something much bigger. I personally got in around $18, and I'm going to go ahead and explain to you guys right now why this shouldn't scare you guys, why this huge candlestick thing shouldn't scare you guys. But before I go into talking about this graph and why it shouldn't scare you guys, I'm going to go ahead and explain why this market cap is so small for a coin or a token, or it's a coin like this, and why it has a lot of potential for this value to go up. Well, the first thing is the circulating supply. That is the main reason why this coin can go up a huge amount, and why the value of this a single coin can be so much is because it has a very small circulating supply. 12 million is a extremely small circulating supply in the crypto coin market. So this coin is finally catching attention and it's making big moves. Well, the first thing I would like to say is when you guys are looking at this graph, I bought in on this coin at around $18, and I told you guys about this coin 2 days ago on my top 8 cryptocurrency top 8 cryptocurrency video. I told you guys about this coin and I bought in at $18. Maybe some of you guys did too, and maybe you guys are seeing the same profits I am so far. But I would also like to tell you guys that this graph is a little bit inaccurate in my opinion, because it's looking at a graph from about September, and it's looking at this. I would look at more of a 7-day chart because that's when it started to catch wind, pretty much in 2018. Actually, not even like big, like after January, like it started to, actually the price went up a little bit, I think, after let's see, yeah, the price went up a little bit here around December, and then it stayed, yeah, once it became like New Year's, the price went up a little bit to $9, and it held $9 for a while. And then if you look at the 7-day chart, it's a more accurate representation of like the support that it's receiving at every single level. So if we look here, it goes up, and then it gets support. It corrects itself, and it finds support. It goes up, corrects itself, finds support, goes up, finds actually has this dip. This is actually a type of graph. If you're into graphs, I don't know exactly what they call this. I think it's like a scoop. I call it a scoop, and it kind of like goes in, and then it has this huge boom. And if you can read graphs, you can actually do this thing where you can sell at highs and then buy back in at lows, and it actually is very helpful when you don't have a lot of money to work with. So that's one thing, but this coin is definitely has a lot of support, so it's not a huge candlestick like it looks like when you're looking at this all-time view. So that's the first thing. So when you guys are looking at this coin, I would definitely buy in on it, and it is very cheap. And I'm going to explain a lot of reasons why. So if you look at this volume and you look at the market cap, there is a huge amount of growth happening here for a market cap like this. So this market cap is going to increase a lot. And this coin, I'm going to go ahead and explain what Nebulos is about. Nebulos is all about enterprises and helping them like it's introducing enterprises to the blockchain network. And you guys can look into the white papers to get more in depth on that. They're gonna have 8 languages, like, and all this other stuff. You guys can look into the white papers. But if we just look at their roadmaps a little bit more simplified, and it can help you guys see what their plans are. So first off, you can tell it's an investment sort of thing, because if you just look here, there is a roadmap all the way to 2019, which is in another year. So it has a plan here. And I'm pretty sure they're gonna add to this roadmap because this roadmap was made in January 2017. So if we look here, Q2 2018, this is in around April, they're going to go on this marketing campaign, which is going to help the value of this coin out immensely. It's going to start getting industrialized money into its market cap. But Nebulo, if we look at this coin and we look at what it's most similar to, and that is Lisk. And Lisk currently has a $3 billion, almost $4 billion market cap. If you put Nebulo at a market cap around that, you would be looking at a coin that is worth around, I would say, $300, $350, something around there. So if Nebulo could get the market cap of Lisk, which is extremely likely, especially how it has a larger volume by 3 times of Lisk currently, it has the potential of getting there very, very soon in 2018. This coin, I believe, is going to be the coin of 2018. and it has a very small circulating supply, so that means these coins are going to be worth a lot more. So if you get in now, your money is going to pay off, or your profits are going to pay off. Like I don't see this coin going any lower. If we refresh right now, let's see if it goes up. It did go up a little bit. It went up about 10 cents there, but this coin is going to the moon, guys. You guys are going to not regret investing in this. I'm not a financial advisor, but I would also like to point out, so that's one thing about them. The other thing that makes me really believe in these guys is the About Us. If you look at their staff team here, if we look at the LinkedIn for these two owners here, the co-founders of this coin, and it's not going to let us. Alright, let me go ahead and pull this up in a different tab here. If we go new Indigo window, this will hopefully let us view this. Let me just copy these. And we look at the LinkedIns here of these people. Oh, this won't even let me. Okay. So, well, let me just tell you guys, this guy was an operation manager. Oh, this is the girl. This girl was the operation manager at HP from 2015 till August. So 2017, that is a 2-year span, and she's been in HP for longer than that, so she has a very good background. And same with this guy, he's in Cisco, Capital One, and a lot of other things. This guy, these are very good people to be behind a thing like Neblio. And then they have this very good developer team. You guys can look more into them. I guess I can't really show you guys their LinkedIns because it's all like weird right now, but Neblio has a lot of potential, and let me go ahead and go over some reasons why Neblio has more potential. Like I said, Lisk is a huge competitor to it, except this thing can translate into 7 more languages than Lisk can. And also, this currency right here, not currency, this coin right here is also on a lot of markets. It has a very good social presence and great Reddit. It's very active on Twitter, and it clears up FUD very fast, as you guys can see here. And and wait till it hits Bittrex, this volume will increase even faster. But now that it's on Binance, this actually helps the volume out a lot because it's a lot easier, it's a lot more easily accessible to the public. Same by adding high BTC. It used to just be on Cryptopia and KuCoin, I believe. So now that they're adding more exchanges to this coin, it's just going to add more volume to this coin and more market cap. So this coin has a huge year for 2018. So yeah, let me know if you guys are planning on investing some of your portfolio into this coin, or if you guys already have and when you guys bought in, or if you guys bought in and then you sold and now it kind of sucks because you thought this was just a huge peak and it was going to have a huge fix, but it didn't, and it's just the start of something much bigger, and you just bought in for hype or something, because this coin is a long-term investment and it's going to go up and up and up, and these candlesticks aren't as big as candlesticks as they look. I bought in here, people thought this was a candlestick, and it definitely was not. Actually, I didn't buy it at 28, I bought it at $18, so I bought in like somewhere in the middle of this candlestick, and it looks like a huge candlestick when you're looking at it at this perspective. It was like around here, but I bought in at $18, so this is the start of something huge for Nebulos. It's finally getting the attention it deserves, and if we put that market cap to its competitor, it would be in the top 20, I'm pretty sure, and it would have a market cap of $3 billion, so it'd be worth around $350. So I would definitely invest in this coin. I'm not a financial advisor. You guys are welcome to do your own research, but from what I have come up from with my research, this coin is extremely promising, and it has all the right things going for it to become a successful coin in 2018. Hopefully I helped you guys, and subscribe if you guys are new. We look for small coins that can give you a lot of profit that are undervalued currently. And yeah, that's about it. Leave a comment, leave a like. It helps. It goes a long way for us. It helps us get higher on the search results, which leads to more people finding us, and we can build a community here and help everyone get money. That's the whole point, right? Get money, help these companies and like futurize the world, and all that. So yeah, hopefully that helped you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.